Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how I securely package this cutting board to ship halfway across the country. I'll start the process by wrapping the cutting board in parchment paper. So in order to do that, I need to pull out enough parchment paper so that I can wrap all the way across the top. So we'll go there and we'll cut the paper there. I seem to have some dull scissors on my hands. So after we've got the parchment paper cut, we'll go ahead and tape it in place. Get that taped up. Get our corners turned in a little bit. Okay, after I've got the parchment paper on, I'm going to wrap the cutting board in a layer of bubble wrap for extra protection. I'll wrap both long ways and around the sides. We'll take one edges to make sure nothing falls off. And now the board's ready to go. Next, I'll want to do our board butter. So in the board butter can, I've got that going into a styrofoam sleeve, which we will seal up. And that's now nice and protected. Next, I'm going to take my shipping box. This one is 20 by 14 by 4. And I'm going to put a layer of crinkle paper, line the entire bottom of the box with crinkle paper to give just a little bit more protection. And we'll get that spread out. Actually, I think I've got too much in there, but that's all right because we'll top off with that. So now we've got a nice layer of crinkle paper. We'll put the board inside and stick the board butter off to the side. And then we can top it off with more crinkle paper. And what we want to make sure of is that we put the crinkle paper down the sides of the excess space of the box so that we're providing packaging all the way through on all sides of the board. Once we've completed with that, we can fold the box over and seal it up. I like to push the box all the way closed and try to get a good seal. And then I will go back on either side and apply more tape. Then I'll go lengthwise across the box to make sure all the edges are sealed. And then a couple more layers of tape across the top. And now we're ready to get the package out for shipping. And our customer should get this in about 3 to 5 days. Thanks for watching.